Hey guys, I just bought Samsung Galaxy A03 in red for my wife. So without any further ado, let's start the unboxing. So in the box there is the phone, user manual, the cable and the charger. The body on the back is made of matte finish plastic with patterns which is hardly noticed. This is entry-level phone, so apart from the camera module, you won't get any special feature. On the right side, dual SIM card tray. On the bottom is microphone and speaker grill with headphone and charging jack. Just another ordinary design with Samsung logo on the back. We bought this because of 48 megapixel camera, but it wasn't quite as we expected. This phone is powered with octa-core Unisoc T606 chip coupled with 4 GB RAM, enough for your daily needs. This was not for gaming in mind, so not a big problem. The 6.5-inch display is PLS LCD. Samsung claims it is better than IPS LCD with more brightness, but as we can see, 3-year-old Realme 5 with IPS display seems to stay brighter with different viewing angles. The phone came out with Android 11 from the box. Samsung says it will provide Android 12 on this phone. The storage is 64 GB and is enough for videos and photos. The phone is equipped with Dolby Atmos. The speaker is loud enough for this price tag. There is no fingerprint sensor, but you get face recognition, motion gestures such as double tap to turn on the screen and so on. The touch experience is not that smooth. There is also a multi-window feature that you need to check out. You can download themes from Samsung Galaxy Store, and this also changes your default phone dialer along with phone's GUI. The main camera sensor is a 48 megapixel Samsung's own GM2, which is actually a 12 megapixels combined. There is a Pro mode, panorama, food, night and hyperlapse mode. The video recording has FHD and HD mode, both locked at 30 FPS. The phone CPU and chipset play important role in processing image and video. Therefore, the camera sensor quality